You're looking for emergency dentist in North Carolina, in Charlotte. Modern Family Dental Care is that dental office. We have 3 locations located in Charlotte and North Carolina at the time of making this video. And all you got to do is hop on our website, modernfamilydentalcare.com, and you can actually book an appointment electronically off the website. Will be able to chat with one of our representatives through the website chat itself. And 3, you can actually call the office and get an immediate response. Actually, pretty much all of them are really immediate responses. But call our office, actually talk with somebody to get in as soon as possible if that's the best way you want to be serviced. And then also, you can actually send an email as well. That's probably the slowest way to go. However, it should still be pretty quick. We target to contact you back in 5 minutes, and that's our goal. Um, so those are 4 ways you can contact us. We are here to make sure that we take care of your emergency need to get you out of pain, put back a crown, whatever it may be. We're here for you. Okay.